नमस्कार. शैक्षणिक वर्ष 2025-26 मध्ये जे विद्यार्थी इंजिनिअरिंग असेल, औषध निर्माणशास्त्र असेल किंवा ॲग्रिकल्चर असेल या व्यवसाय अभ्यासक्रमांना ज्यांना प्रवेश घ्यायचा आहे किंवा घेऊ इच्छिणारे आहेत अशा सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांच्यासाठी राज्य सामायिक प्रवेश परीक्षा 2025 म्हणजे MST CET 2025 ही सक्तीची परीक्षा असणारी आहे. म्हणजे ही परीक्षा त्या विद्यार्थ्यांना द्यावीच लागणारी आहे. फक्त परीक्षा देऊन चालणार नाही, तर चांगलं महाविद्यालय जर तुम्हाला मिळवायचं असेल, चांगली फॅकल्टी तुम्हाला मिळवायची असेल, तर सर्वोत्तम पर्सेंटाईल असणं देखील गरजेचं असणार आहे. आणि त्यामुळं तुम्हाला आत्तापासूनच तयारी करावी लागणारी आहे. आणि ही तयारी तुम्ही जर करत असाल तर तुमच्यासोबत यश अकॅडमी ही असणारी आहे. यश अकॅडमीच्या माध्यमातून तुम्हाला नवीन नवीन जे व्हिडिओज असणार आहेत की ज्यामध्ये मल्टिपल चॉईस क्वेश्चन्स असणारी आहेत की ज्या सरावाच्या माध्यमातून तुम्हाला येणाऱ्या परीक्षेमध्ये त्रास होणार नाही किंवा ते प्रश्न सोडवताना कोणत्याही प्रकारची अडचण होणार नाही. आणि त्यासाठी आपण MST CET 2025 या परीक्षेच्या तयारीच्या दृष्टिकोनातून आजपासून तुमच्यासाठी यूट्यूब चॅनल यश अकॅडमी यूट्यूब चॅनलवर व्हिडिओज अपलोड करत आहे. यासाठी तुम्हाला हा चॅनल सबस्क्राईब करावा लागेल. व्हिडिओ आवडला तर तो लाईक करावा लागेल आणि नोटिफिकेशन आयकॉन बेल हे प्रेस करायला विसरू नका, कारण जे नवीन व्हिडिओज अपलोड होणारे आहेत ते तुमच्यापर्यंत सहज पोहोचू शकतील. त्यामुळं कोणताही व्हिडिओ या अभ्यासक्रमाशी निगडीत असणारा आहे तो पाहत असताना सुरुवातीपासून शेवटपर्यंत पहा, मध्ये कुठेही तो स्किप करू नका. ऑर्डर ऑफ रेडिओएक्टिव्ह डिसइंटिग्रेशन रिएक्शन इज. So the correct answer option of this question is the B, that is the first. Which of the following is a path function? So the correct answer option of this question is the C, that is the heat. For a cell reaction, you are given cell reaction and you are asked the cell representation is the correct answer option. The chemical formula of carnallite is. The correct answer option of this question is A. Which of the following ions has electronic configuration argon 3d7? The correct answer option of this question is B. In Gabriel thaliamide, halide may be. This correct answer option of this question is काय असणार आहे? D. Benzyl chloride. In polyfunctional compounds, the correct decreasing order of preference of functional group is. So A is the correct answer option. Density of crystal is given by the formula. This is the correct answer option. Bleaching powder has two types of chlorine atoms with oxidation state -1 and +1. It can be represented as. Correct answer option कुठला असणार आहे पहा? C is the correct answer option. How many gram of water are present in 0.30 mole of it? So correct answer is D option, 5.4 इतका असणार आहे. To carry out the conversion of unsaturated aldehyde to saturated alcohol, which among the following will be the best reducing agent? So correct answer option of this question is A. The reaction between ozone and aqueous potassium iodide gives which of the following option मध्ये? So correct answer option of this question is D, that is the iodine. Next, the amount of aluminum deposited when 1 Faraday current is passed through aluminum chloride will be. So A is the correct answer option. The nature of aqueous solution of KCN is. So correct answer option of this question is B, that is the basic. Pentose sugar in RNA and DNA have the structure of. correct answer option of this question is B, that is furanose. 17. In the given reaction, you are given reaction RCOH on arrow P2O5 heat B. The product B is correct answer option of this question is a C. What is the solubility of nitrogen gas in water at 298 Kelvin if the partial pressure of nitrogen gas over the solution is 0.75 bar? You are given Henry's law constant and its value supplied to you. Select the correct order of boiling point. म्हणजे correct answer option of this question is the EAN, effective atomic number of central atom in CONH3CL3 is atomic number of cobalt is supplied to you, that is 27 rule. So correct answer option is C, that is 36. Which 3D series transition element has the highest melting point? Correct answer option is B, that is CR. Carboxylic acids वरचा आहे. How many COH groups are present in citric acid? Correct answer option of this question is 3. Bronze is an alloy of. Correct answer option of this question is A. Geometrical isomerism is not shown by. So correct answer option of this question is C. So A is the correct answer option. The standard state of a substance is considered when the temperature is 298 Kelvin and pressure is off. The answer of this question is D, that is the 1 bar. Which defect in any crystal lowers its density? The correct answer of this question is B, Schottky defect. Question is, which of the following pairs shows diagonal relationship? This is the correct answer option of this question. Question is, which of the following ions has the lowest magnetic moment? This is the correct answer option of this question. That is A, Cu2+. म्हणजे या पद्धतीने शोध घ्यायचा. Next question. In the reaction, the electrophile involved is. So correct answer option of this question is C, that is dichlorocarbene. Which of the following compounds can form hydrogen bonding with another of the same molecule? So ammonia is the correct answer of this question. If the dispersed phase is a liquid and the dispersion medium is a solid, the colloid is known as A, gel is the correct answer option of this question. Standard reduction potential at 298 Kelvin of lithium, barium, sodium, magnesium are, these values are given in volt respectively. Which one of the following ion is the strongest oxidizing agent? म्हणजे correct answer option of this question is B, that is the magnesium. म्हणजे question is, the monomer used in the preparation of Arlon is. त्यामुळे correct answer option of this question is B, that is vinyl cyanide. इथं correct answer option जे असणार आहे ते कोणतं असणार आहे? B. The correct answer option of this question is A. म्हणजे A हे correct answer असणार आहे. Which of the following is not an aromatic compounds? त्यामुळे correct answer option is C. The solubility product of sparingly soluble salt AgBr is 5.2 into 10 raised to minus 13. Its solubility in mole per dm cube is. Correct answer option असणार आहे ते A. Which one of the following is more suitable method for preparation of extra pure alkyl halide? That is the last one. D option is the correct. The ebullioscopic constant is the elevation in boiling point produced by, in which of the following complex ion the central metal ion is in state of sp3d2 hybridization? Correct answer option असणार आहे A. फ्लोरीन ज्यामध्ये ligand आहे ते answer. The enzyme present in saliva is. So correct answer option of this question is D. What is the osmotic pressure of 0.25 m molar aqueous solution of urea at 27 degrees Celsius? You are given the value of gas constant R. So correct answer option of this question is A. Chlorobenzene on treatment with sodium metal. Chlorobenzene on treatment with sodium metal in presence of dry ether gives biphenyl or diphenyl. The name of the reaction is. Correct answer option of this question is D. The most suitable reagent for the following conversion is. So the correct answer option of this question is D. What is the full form of HDP? Correct answer option is C. Which of the following compounds is an example of expanded octet? So D. Sulfuric acid is an example of expanded octet. The radius of stationary state, which is also called Bohr's radius, is given by the expression. Expression is given. हे expression तुम्हाला दिलेला आहे, where value of A0 is. Values काय असणार आहे? A 52.9 picometer. Lattice enthalpy and enthalpy of solution of sodium chloride are 788 kilojoule per mole and 4 kilojoule per mole respectively. The hydration of enthalpy of sodium chloride is. त्यामुळे C is the correct answer option. A complex reaction takes place in two steps. Two steps are given, step 1 and 2. And you are asked the reaction intermediate is.